Prostrate don't want to putrefy early, it want to putrefy very late. Receptional ocquitur, the thing speaks for itself. Otherwise you can say the key of the question paper speaks for itself, the mistakes in the key. So he is receptional ocquitur. Lightening causes herborizing marks. Right? Now, it is a distended gallbladder which is typically seen in the starvation deaths. In phenol poisoning, we use 10% glycerin plus max sulfate in order to do the gastric lavage. Close contact wound is typically associated with the soot at the point of the entry of the bullet is what need to be basically remembered. Audio is not clear. Why? The teacher's audio itself is very low energetic today. I think is audio not clear? Just ask them to check locally problem or for everybody. Now Mees lines, where do we see, doctor? Yeah, it is clear for everybody. Okay, okay. Only Vizag locally some problem is there. Okay. Mees lines, arsenic, as all of you know, should be an answer, doctor. 55-year-old smoker, heavy drinker, cough, flu-like symptoms, and gram stain shows no organism. Silver stain shows gram-negative dots. What is your diagnosis? One confident answer. Silver stain shows gram-negative dot. Gram stain shows no organism. Excellent. Amit says chlamydia. RMC says Legionella. And Tirupati says pneumocystis. What is your answer, doctor? Huh? Legionella is the correct answer. Nulliparous cervical opening is typically circular. Arsenic can be detected in the hair long after the death. Now, fifth cranial nerve is important. If it is affected, we lose that sensory input. Hence, there is a corneal ulceration. Peripheral cornea thinning is basically called Dellen, which is a shallow saucer-like, clearly defined excavation is what need to be remembered. We use patchmeter for the thickness of cornea. Okay, what is your answer? Elderly woman, pain, stiffness in the shoulder, hip, she cannot lift her arms. Lab shows anemia with an increased ESR. What is your diagnosis, doctor? Classical clinical minutes before you go to exam. You must smell the answer in general medicine. Temporal arthritis is an answer from Amit and Kiran. What is the other end of spectrum of temporal arthritis? You almost reached the answer. Excellent. Dr. Dilip, Dr. Madhuri correctly answers it as polymyalgia rheumatica is what you are going to remember. Alport and anterior lenticornis you all know very well. Now, doctor, acanthamoeba causes keratitis in the case of the soft contact lens users, as all of you know. High myopics have got a great risk of developing posterior staphyloma due to the degenerative nature of the lesion. Now, secondary glaucoma, if it is there due to uveitis, how do you treat it? We give atropine or a mydriatic, mainly for what purpose, doctor? To prevent the formation of the posterior synechiae and to break down if at all any synechiae have already formed. We don't give phenylephrine. Phenylephrine is bad because phenylephrine leads to the development of meiosis, which we don't want, is what need to be basically remembered. Now, doctor, sympathetic ophthalmitis, when will it develop? Typically, streaming is not clear, say Siri. Any problem? For others or only to Siri? 1 Mbps line should be there, doctor. Then only streaming will be proper. I think it's a local problem. Yeah, it is okay for everybody. 3 weeks to 12 weeks is what you are going to ultimately remember. Iridocyclitis, one of the very common complication uveitis can lead is, it can lead to development of secondary glaucoma, retrolental membrane, complicated cataract, and retinal involvement. Any of them can be the problems. Phthisis bulbi ultimately. Now, a firstborn female, due to a breech position, found to have asymmetric skin fold. You're all answering it correctly, no? That's right. Even our online students say congenital dislocation of the hip. Remember, कितना है 420 और 240? 240 means 240 is 240, no, not 420. Okay, 240 में 200 questions will be without knowing, like a lumbar puncture needle passing, you will be able to answer. Skating, standard questions, standard answers, no creativity. 40 questions will be deciding factor. वो छोड़ दो, negative marking कैसे भी नहीं है. Tick, 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 wherever your finger goes and you can tick, pray the luck, your radial nerve will decide. So, this kind of questions. Labyrinthine artery is the branch of ICA, that is typically labyrinthine artery arises from anterior inferior cerebellar artery is what you are going to ultimately remember. Why stapedial reflex is required? Whenever our HOD shouts at us, we don't want to listen all that anger. It is the stapedial reflex which will prevent it. 7th cranial nerve, stapedial reflex, any 7th cranial nerve palsy lead to hyperacusis, as all of you know very well. Now, in neonates we use BERA, that is brainstem evoked response audiometry, in order to assess the hearing loss, because they can't answer like adults. So subjective test won't help, only objective assessment can only able to identify the hearing loss in the case of the newborn children. Now doc, shoot me an answer. 11-year-old obese boy, sudden onset of limb, what is your diagnosis? How do you work up? Which special X-ray you will order? Who will give me correct answer? One confident answer. Slipped capital femoral epiphysis. Amit correctly answers. First to answer. Anuja, Dr. Manu, they all say Perthes disease. But obese is a clue. Slipped capital femoral epiphysis. AP view, frog leg lateral view. These are the two things which you are going to remember. Meningitis bullosa is a virus. All of you know. Congested tympanic membrane with a bulge is there in a 3-year-old with the fever and earache. SOM. And the best way to treat in this scenario will be to give antibiotic along with myringotomy. So when to do myringotomy, when to put a grommet, all these things you need to be quite sure. Now doctor, cholesteatoma, where does it typically start? Where does it typically start? For our earlier question, B is also a potential answer proposed by Gauri Shankar. We will fight Gauri Shankar at the end of the discussion on the objection round. Now coming to cholesteatoma, it is a lateral semicircular canal where it commonly perforates. When there is a otostenosis with a progressive hearing loss, stapedectomy is considered to be the management of choice. For the water stenosis, it is the fossula antifenestrum, which is just in front of the oval window is an area called fistula antifenestrum is the most common location where staphylococcus stenosis will be beginning, is what you have to ultimately remember. Middle meatus bulla ethmoidalis, you are not going to forget. And also hiatus semilunaris and middle meatus. Patent coffer, CO2 content. Kerala, if you go for honeymoon, there is a good chance of being caught up with maximum terrestrial radiation. Now Paris green, why only anopheline larvae are killed? Because Paris green will be spreading on the water and creating a barrier for breathing oxygen by the larvae. Since anopheline larvae are only surface feeders, they come to surface and breathe air. Paris green will spread and prevent that breathing and kill the larvae. Only anopheline larvae can be killed, unlike Coulson larvae, which are basically bottom feeders, is what need to be remembered. Shoot me an answer. Unilateral severe periorbital headache with tearing and conjunctival erythema. What is this headache? Diagnostic of. You have 3 headaches, no doctor? Tension headache of exam, cluster headache of everybody, which comes in clusters, migraine. 4th is cancer headache, brain tumor headache, which is a typical early morning headache. Okay, what is your answer? Cluster headache or migraine? What is your answer? That's right, everybody short an answer, cluster headache. If you have autonomic symptoms, doctor, like rhinorrhea, tearing, conjunctival erythema, think of cluster headache. One question out of these 3 types of headache definitely will be there on your monitor. It will appear like a virus message. What is the answer, Bolke? So you should read today only headache.